Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to add a customized navigation menu on this website, which is the Wix Studio. So the first thing you need to do here is to of course log into your Wix Studio, and then after that one you open the project you're working on. And then once in the editor, we'll start by adding a navigation menu to your site. So as you can see here, to add a navigation menu, you just need to go on this side and click on the plus add button in the left toolbar. And then from the drop down, you will be selecting the menu and then choose the menu styles that fits your website design. So for example, to that is I'm going to choose this one and then drag and drop the menu to where you want it on your page. So this menu goes in the header area, but you can also place them in sidebars or footers depending on your site layout. And here with the menu selected, open the design panel. Here you can customize fonts, colors, and then hover effects. And then after that one, you can click preview in the top right corner to test your menu. And then don't forget to optimize your menu for your mobile users. And that's how you add a navigation menu to your Wix Studio website. If this tutorial was helpful, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you would like to see next.